Hi friends, I am Najibur Rahman. Today I will show how to create a virtual machine using a VirtualBox. Last day we have seen how to install VirtualBox. Now we'll see how to create a virtual machine on VirtualBox. For that here I open a window and going new. From there this just we will install Oracle Linux, but in future I will use this machine for Oracle Golden Gate. I have to think on that. In this concept I am trying to create a machine, new machine. I am putting the name ZZ1 because this server this machine I will use for Golden Gate server 1 and Golden Gate server 2. And before doing this I create a folder behind where this virtual machine I want to reside. I am showing this machine location in D drive. I have created a folder named VBox. Selecting that, select folder, then type. I have to put the Linux. Automatically Oracle 64-bit is showing here. Next, I'm allow 8 GB RAM for each server. So put it there. Next, it will be create a virtual hard disk now. Create. It will be VDI format. Next, then I'm using here dynamic allocation, but our others for some purpose we have to use fixed size. Now I'm using dynamically allocated. Next, and I'm using size of 50 GB. 50 GB, though it will not occur from waste level, it will use dynamically. When in need it will grow, but to install OS and doing our operation we may need 8 GB to 10 GB space from OS. Create. Yeah, machine created. See, ZZ1, and I need some configuration change. That's why I'm going to setting, then general purpose, whatever this is okay. In advance we have to put shared clipboard. There is a bidirectional, and drag and drop, that's also bidirectional. Then system, I'm unclick that are floppy, and others will be okay. Processor, if we need to increase you may, but here I no need. Then display, this is okay, nothing to hit. Store, storage, I have to select the CD. For that, controller IDE, I highlighted empty CD. Then in right, I'm going dropping down option. From there I have to select, choose a disk file. I have already done, that's why this list is showing here, but you have to go choose a disk file for first time. I have to show where the file is. In software folder I kept this file, this ISO file. I am selecting that one. Okay, it's okay. And this is the disk, hard disk, where I have selected 50 GB. Now it acquired 2 MB only, nothing else we have to select from here. Then audio, no need to do. Network, it's very important. We need two network, one for host to guest communication and another one to communication between guest. I'm enable a network adapter, and it will be host only adapter. It will be host only adapter. Yeah, and in advance you may or may not allow promiscuous mode, allow all. Yeah, that's all, nothing to change, but very important. We have to remember that we need two LAN card, one for host to guest communication and another for communication between guests. Then shared folder we needed. We have to select a shared folder where the software is highlighted shared folder. Then going plus, here I have to show where the folder is. I am showing the software folder on C drive. C drive software where all the folders are there. Then it will be auto mounted, and the folder mount point name I am putting Orasoft. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Please go through again. In general, basic, whatever that is okay. In advanced, I have put bidirectional in both option. Then system, I unclick that floppy option. Display nothing to do. Storage ID controller, I have selected the ISO file. Audio nothing to do. Network very important, we need two network. One is net type, another is host only. Another thing, I have selected a folder where all the softwares are reside. In future use, I will use this software if I need it. Okay, done. Our machine is created. In next video, we will see how to install. What is that? I am going to install Oracle Linux 7.8 maybe. Okay, thanks for today.